Igwe, I'm just choose one song from the discography and
yeah, you know that sometimes there is an artist who will comment according to what you know not the song you heard on my guitar. And I was happy with the song, it's in like my chords and everything. And I was happy the way Yaka Nyora na and Yaka Imana, you know, it shows good Akuma show in music.
And yeah, do you have any advice that you want to give to the upcoming artists in as far as arts challenges are concerned? Patience. You went through a lot.
Patience pays. Patience pays. That's when I don't know what I'm
Today, Andy Murizo was playing here on a Sunday, but he's usually or traditionally he plays here on Wednesdays. Exactly. It was Andy and friends. Your comment?
Yeah, it's a good thing, you know, that sometimes kubatana kwema-artists kunonoka kuitika, but I'm happy kuti akwanisa kubatidza ma-artists like we saw kuma-artists atanga ari maposter anga aripo panapa, so it shows kuti you are going somewhere.
Do you think today's artists are more united than yesteryear artists?
Yeah, I cannot comment on that one, but it's tricky. It's tricky, like because Madera Edu maybe write on my phone or something. That's a serious issue. But now today, my young artists, you know, my pictures are not already. I want to be together.
Your special message to the artists in general?
You know, music industry, you know,
anything new from Peter before the end of this 2017?
Nothing. Next year.
People know you much about taking care of your father's kids, especially Vachera. How is Vachera?
She's
anything?
Fine.
What do you mean?
She's fine.
Any special message to the fans from Vachera?
Yeah, go right, and we wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Thank you very much. It was nice talking to you. This is Roberto Kagara Dabi.
Thank you so much.